Happy birthday, my handsome little prince. We love you so, so much.
DanceBot moves its hips and legs the way a human would.
I'm so happy to meet my wife. Happy anniversary, baby.
It's not just programmed to dance, but empowered by the leading algorithm to flow with real-time audio from your smart device. Suitable for music, videos, audiobooks, and podcasts. Simply connect via Bluetooth and you're ready to go. With a customizable message feature, you can send your loved ones a special greeting for any occasion. The built-in powerful 5-watt speaker adds to the DanceBot, which makes it the perfect companion.